Today, we're tackling a pest problem that can be a nightmare for many bedbugs. If you've ever dealt with these unwanted guests, or if you're looking for preventive measures, you're in the right place. I'm going to guide you through the steps on how to get rid of bedbugs. Let's dive in. Step 1. Identify the signs of bedbug infestation. The first step in tackling a bedbug problem is identifying the signs. Look out for live bedbugs, shed skins, small reddish-brown stains on sheets, and bites on your skin. Step 2. Wash and clean bedding and clothes. Start by washing all bedding, linens, and clothing in hot water. The high temperature helps kill bedbugs and their eggs. Be sure to dry them on the hottest setting as well. Step 3. Vacuum thoroughly. Vacuum your home thoroughly, paying extra attention to mattresses, carpets, and furniture. Use a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter to trap bedbugs and their eggs. Empty the vacuum outside immediately. Step 4. Use bedbug-proof mattress and pillow covers. Encase your mattress and pillows in bedbug-proof covers. These covers are designed to prevent bedbugs from entering or escaping, providing an extra layer of protection. Step 5. Declutter and seal cracks. Declutter your living space and seal any cracks or crevices where bedbugs may hide. Use caulk to seal gaps around baseboards, pipes, and other potential hiding spots. Step 6. Apply diatomaceous earth. Consider using diatomaceous earth, a natural and non-toxic powder, around bed frames, furniture, and other infested areas. It dehydrates and kills bedbugs over time. Step 7. Use bedbug traps. Set up bedbug traps under and around your bed. These traps can help monitor and capture bedbugs. You can purchase them or make DIY traps using double-sided tape. Step 8. Seek professional help if needed. If your bedbug infestation persists, it might be time to seek professional help. Pest control professionals have the expertise and tools to effectively eliminate bedbugs. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to get rid of bedbugs. I hope these tips help you reclaim your home from these unwanted pests. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more pest control tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other pest-related topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, happy bug busting!